Dictator Telugu movie summary. The film begins in Hyderabad, where Chandu, an employee at Dharma Group of Industries, resides with his wife, Katyayani's family, who works in Delhi. Once, an aspiring actor, Indu, befriends Chandu as she is in a quandary from a few gangsters hunting her brother. Once, the miscreants abduct her when Chandu locks horns with them and gets indirect enmity with Minister Govardhan Rao and a wild cop, Prabhakar, but he seizes them. Parallelly, Babji, his co-employee, heists the company amount for his daughter's nuptials when Chandu incriminates himself. Surprisingly, the attention of company chieftain Rajshekhar Dharma is thrust on him when his father-in-law Lakshmi Narayana seeks the truth. Here, as a flabbergast, Chandu is Chandrasekhar Dharma, the dictator, the chairman of the Dharma Group of companies, and spins back. Chandrasekhar Dharma is a big tycoon in India who fights against the mafia, and ages remains. Once, he gets acquainted with Katyayani, an employee in his company, and they crush. Since Lakshmi Narayana is against elite groups, she introduces him as her colleague, and they knit. After a while, Chandrasekhar battles a tyrant, Mahima Roy, for slaughtering his fatherly figure, Hari Prasad, by her malicious son-in-law, Vishwambhar. Now, Mahima kidnaps Chandrasekhar's family and demands that he fall at her feet. Whereat, Mahima receives frequent calls from her relatives worldwide, affirming that Chandrasekhar has taken them into his custody, proving his network. Later, Chandrasekhar eliminates Vishwambhar, and Mahima strikes him, stabbing Katyayani in it. At that point, Chandrasekhar quits Delhi on Katyayani's plea, changing his identity. Presently, Chandrasekhar is conscious of Vishwambhar's existence through the betrayal of his men. Ergo, he retrieves when his sly uncle Sivram backstabs and notifies Vishwambhar, the dictator's arrival, who will conduct tribute for Hari Prasad. Thus, Vishwambhar onslaughts Sivram turns side, reviling it as Chandrasekhar's gameplay to clutch the blackguard. At last, he wipes out Vishwambhar and behests Mahima to leave the country. Finally, the movie ends Chandrasekhar Dharma, continuing his legacy.